Ever wondered how to make a delicious banoffee pie with a twist of chocolate at home? Today, we're taking the classic British dessert, known for its crunchy biscuit base, sweet caramel, ripe bananas, and fluffy whipped cream, and adding a layer of rich chocolate. This no-bake dessert is perfect for any occasion and simple to prepare. We'll need ingredients for the crust, filling, whipped cream topping, and decoration. So, get ready to delve into the world of no-bake desserts and impress your loved ones with this irresistible chocolate banoffee pie. Start by making the biscuit crust, the bedrock of our chocolate banoffee pie. First, crush the biscuits. You can use a food processor or, for a bit of fun, put them in a Ziploc bag and give them a good whack with a rolling pin. Once crushed, combine these crumbs with melted butter and cocoa powder. Blend till it's all well combined. Now press this mixture firmly into the bottom and sides of your pie dish. Then pop it into the refrigerator to set. With the crust chilling in the fridge, it's time to prepare our luscious caramel filling. Next, we're going to turn a can of sweetened condensed milk into a creamy caramel delight. To achieve this, simply remove the label from the can and submerge it in a pot of boiling water for 2 to 3 hours. Make sure the can is fully covered by water at all times. If you've got store-bought dulce de leche, you can skip this step. Moving on, we melt our dark chocolate in a heat-proof bowl using a double boiler or microwave. With our caramel ready and chocolate melted, we're all set to assemble our pie. Now comes the fun part, assembling the pie. Begin by spreading a thin layer of our beautifully melted chocolate over the chilled biscuit crust. Take a moment to let it set. Next, pour the rich creamy dulce de leche over the chocolate layer, spreading it to create an even surface. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the bananas! Arrange the freshly sliced bananas on top of the caramel. With our pie assembled, we're just a whipped cream topping away from finishing. It's time to add the final touch, a fluffy whipped cream topping. Start by beating the heavy cream, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until stiff peaks form. Now, spread or pipe this cream over the banana layer, covering it generously. For the grand finale, sprinkle chocolate shavings or dust a bit of cocoa powder over the cream. Fancy a caramel drizzle? Go for it! And there you have it, a homemade chocolate banoffee pie ready to wow your taste buds.